Once upon a time, in the cozy forest where Benny Bear lived, a magical transformation occurred. Benny woke up one morning with a newfound desire to help others and make them feel better. He imagined himself as Dr. Benny, a kind and caring bear who embarked on a noble journey to become a doctor. With a stethoscope draped around his neck and a white lab coat adorning his fluffy fur, Dr. Benny set up a little clinic in the heart of the forest. Animals of all shapes and sizes gathered, eager for his expertise and gentle care. Dr. Benny's first patient was a tiny bunny named Daisy who had a case of the sniffles. With his gentle touch and comforting words, Dr. Benny examined Daisy and prescribed some warm carrot soup to soothe her throat. Daisy's grateful smile warmed Dr. Benny's heart, filling him with a sense of purpose. Word of Dr. Benny's healing touch spread throughout the forest, and animals flocked to his clinic seeking his help. He treated squirrels with sprained tails, birds with chirp coughs, and even a wise old owl who needed new spectacles. Dr. Benny's clinic became a place of hope and healing. He worked tirelessly, tending to each patient with compassion and care. His furry friends assisted him, providing bandages, herbal remedies, and comforting hugs. One day, a little bear named Billy visited Dr. Benny with a scraped knee and a troubled expression. Dr. Benny noticed that Billy seemed sad, so he took the time to listen, offering kind words of encouragement and a gentle reminder that even the bravest bears sometimes need a little comfort. As days turned into weeks, Dr. Benny's knowledge grew, and his kind-hearted nature shone brighter than ever. The forest animals were not just his patients, they became his friends, sharing their stories, laughter, and trust. Evening would arrive, and Dr. Benny would gently close his clinic for the day. He would return to his cozy den, where Mama Bear awaited him with open arms. She would listen to his tales of healing and offer a reassuring hug, proud of her little bear who had become a compassionate and skilled doctor. Dr. Benny's dream of helping others had come true. His days were filled with purpose, and the forest community thrived with newfound wellness and joy. Dr. Benny knew that he had found his true calling, bringing comfort and healing to those in need. And so, every night, as the moon rose in the starlit sky, Dr. Benny would cuddle up with Mama Bear, sharing stories of his patients' recoveries and the hope he had instilled in their hearts. From that night on, Dr. Benny's gentle spirit and healing touch would forever be cherished, reminding him and all who knew him that compassion and care can create a world filled with warmth and wellness.